Hello everyone, welcome to Java Code Threads. Today we are going to discuss about the new problem statement, that is, we need to find sum of list of integers using the stream API. For that purpose, I am going to provide you the two ways, by using the sum method and by using the reduce method. Both are the terminal operation in the stream API. So let's get started with the solution. So here you can see this is my input list. So I'll convert this list into the stream API. So numbers dot string is the method. So now our list is converted into the stream object. Okay. Now again, what we need to do, we need to convert this stream object into the integer. So in a stream API, they are provided support for the primitive values as well. So they have given us like a various method for the primitive data types, like you can see map to double, map to int, map to long. These are the some methods which are provided for the primitive data types. So here we are using the list of integers, so we are going to convert this into the map to int. So I have to process the each element. So what I'm going to do, I am just passing the number and doing nothing, because I need to process each element. For that purpose I'm going to use the sum method. So I just write here sum. So you can see like I am using the sum here, and the purpose of to convert into the primitive data types, as you can see, this is a sum method which have which are present in the in stream, like also this is also present in a double stream, long stream, all the primitives classes. Okay, stream classes. So that's the reason we have converted this into the map to string. Let store it into the new local variable. I'm call it as a sum and just print it. Okay, I'll try to run it. Yeah, so we are getting the sum as a 15 for this integer, list of integer. So now this is the way one, by using the sum method. Okay, now we will discuss about the reduce method, how we can solve this problem by using the reduce method. So reduce is another again it's a terminal operation. In the last video we can see how we can pass the two arguments to the reduce, but here we but in this case we are going to use another overload method of reduce function. Okay, so I'll convert this number list into, again sorry, I'll convert these numbers into the string format. Then now I'm going to use the reduce method directly. So in the last video, as I said, like we have used this binary operator or by functions, so which accept the two values. Today's video we have to use this second operation, so which accept the integer identity and the binary operators. So here what I have to write, I have to write the function identity over here, means the beginning or the first argument of this function, and then we have to pass the our binary operator. So I am passing like number 1 comma number 2. So what I have to do, I have to do the sum. So number 1 plus number 2. Okay, so that's it. um I'll show you why I'm written 0 over here. Firstly, I'll store this into this local variable called radius. Okay, and I'll print this variable. Let's see the output first. Okay, we are getting the same output. Okay, so is this integer identity is a first argument of this for reduction. Okay, and this second argument, it will act as accumulator over here. The zero is it's a integer identity, and it's a first argument or the beginning argument of this reduction function. Okay, so so whenever this addition or the sum will start, so it will take like 0 plus 1, then a result will be a 1, then again 1 plus 2, result will be 3. So my starting argument is 0, that's why it started. But some of the times we are, if we want to do the multiplication of these numbers, so that time my first argument is 0, means what, like 0 multiplied by 0 is always 0, correct? So when we are doing the multiplication, we have to consider it as a 1. Okay, let's see if it is a 0 and I am trying to uh, calculate the multiplication of these all these numbers. Okay, let's print the output. I'll save it that we are getting 0, but when we are doing the multiplication we have to pass it as a 1. Okay, yeah, we are getting the multiplication output is a 120. Some of the times in the interview session, interviewer may ask you like in the reduction function, if you are passing the 0, but what if I want to pass 1 or the 2 as a argument? So in that case, so what will happen? Suppose I am passing 1 into here, so addition previous you can see like my addition is 15, correct? No, but one so my first argument is the first argument is 1, correct? So 1 plus 1 is 2. Result, we are getting the result as a 2. Then again 2 plus 2 is 4. Now what will the result of, will be this integer list? We are getting the sum as a 16. Let's try to print the output. Okay, we are getting the 16 as a output. Okay, so what will happen if we pass the 2? So it will act as a first argument. Okay, so 2 plus 1, 2 plus 1 is 3, 3 plus 2 is 5. So it will so result will be getting like I think 17. Okay, let's print it. Yeah, we are getting the output as a 17. I hope you have understood. Thanks for watching the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thank you.